beauties, what's up and welcome to my channel today. Today we're going to look at the 2 confirmed sneak peeks for our Boxyluxe March, and they're 2 awesome products. But before we get into that, I want to remind everybody about the giveaway in January. All you have to do is read the rules below and comment and subscribe. The 2 prizes this month are the James Charles Morphe Collaboration palette and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. Get in on the giveaway. Don't miss out. Also, remember, I'm very close to 5,000 subscribers, and I'm going to have an extra special giveaway when I reach it. So you want to be subscribed for that. But let's get into those spallers. Our first spaller is from Morphe Brushes, and it's a variation. You will receive one of these 4 palettes, the first being the 15B, the second is the 15D, then you have the 15N and the 15H. So let's look at the 15B first. It's called Brunch Babe eyeshadow palette, and this one is currently sold out. It's a cool tone palette with shades of pink, peach, and violet. The next palette is 15D. This palette's called Day Slayer eyeshadow palette, and it has warm tones of peach, chocolate, and bronze. The third palette option is the 15N, which is the Night Master Artistry palette. This is a crazy, creamy, super sultry matte and shimmer eyeshadow palette that gets you ready for a night on the town. It has beautiful shades of terracotta, copper, burnt clay, plum, browns, merlot, and eggplant. Our last variation is the 15H, the Happy Hour eyeshadow palette. This palette features a mirrored interior, which they all do. It's got a range of highly pigmented, blendable hues in matte and shimmer finishes. This versatile palette is sure to become your go-to for creating flawless day and night looks. It's got beautiful shades of cream, matte peach, sparkling rose, coral, crushed berry, terracotta, gold leaf, and hot copper. Just a beautiful palette. You will receive one of these 4 variations in your box. Moving on, sneak peek number 2 is by It Cosmetics. It's Confidence in a Cream. And we are getting the 2-ounce jar that is $48. They did mention this. This cream is the #1 anti-aging facial moisturizer in the US in 2017. This cream is for all skin types. It's an ultra hydrating moisturizer that clinically tests to rejuvenate, repair, and restore skin for softer, smoother, younger looking results. It's the solution for fine lines and wrinkles, dryness and loss of firmness and elasticity in your skin. And this cream was developed by plastic surgeons. It's been tried over and over. It has clinical results. It's a very good cream. I currently received some for Christmas, and I'm trying it out now. And I also want to say we are going to get $300 worth of products in the March Boxyluxe box. It's always a good box. This will be the 3rd box we receive. The first 2 were amazing, so I can't wait to get this box. Just a quick note on Boxycharm for February. Some subscribers were asking if there would be variations on the first 2 spallers, and that is no. He confirmed everyone will get the mascara and the primer. There will be no variations on those, so that's a good thing. So thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. Please remember to share and subscribe, and if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And until I see you again, bye.